Hello everyone, and great to have your company on Kalkine TV. I'm Rose Jacobs and you're watching Buzzing Trends. Today we'll be looking at 3 ASX Lithium stocks with over 100% past year returns. And with the world racing to embrace decarbonisation, the share prices of ASX listed lithium companies have surged significantly in the past year. More and more vehicle manufacturers are entering the electric vehicle segment. As per the International Energy Agency report, the global EV market is expected to grow to 145 million by 2030 from 11 million vehicles in 2020. The global agency also forecasts that lithium demand for EVs and battery storage would expand to 83% of all lithium demand by 2030 compared to 30% as of today. On this note, let's talk about 3 lithium stocks with over 100% returns in the past year. First up, Core Lithium is engaged in discovering and exploring mineral deposits in Northern Territory and South Australia. The stock has given a return of nearly 400% in the past year. The Core Lithium share price is up nearly 48% year to date. Core Lithium recently announced that it would supply Tesla with 110 KT of spodumene concentrate, from which lithium is derived for over 4 years. The company will start supplying the metal in the second half of 2023. Core Lithium also announced an update on its Finniss lithium project near Darwin. Core Lithium now has the results of a series of 9 deep diamond drill holes which were completed at the Kalkine deposit. These holes were drilled along strike to the south and down dip to test for the continuity of the pegmatite and mineralisation at depth. 8 of the 9 holes intersected spodumene-bearing pegmatite mineralisation. Management notes that these intersections support the current interpretation that the grade, consistency and width of pegmatite intervals of the Kalkine lithium mineralisation is improving with depth. Next stock is Pilbara Minerals. It's an Australian lithium and tantalite mining company. Its primary project is the Pilganura operation, which is situated in Western Australia. The stock has given an attractive return of over 195% in the past year. However, the stock is down over 19% year to date. In the first half of financial year 2022, Pilbara Minerals reported a record sales revenue of $291.7 million Australian, delivering a statutory profit after tax of $114 million. During this period, Pilbara shipped 170,228 dry metric tonnes. Thin supply and a demand explosion spurred by the electric vehicle revolution has sent prices of lithium surging in recent months, with current rates estimated to be 8 times higher than 1 year ago levels. The company said that the result reflects continued improvement in lithium market conditions over the period, which has continued its strong momentum into the current half. Pilbara also said its Chief Executive Officer, Ken Brinsden, would step down by the end of the year. And lastly, Allkem is a minerals exploration and production company focusing on developing lithium and potash resources in Argentina. The company was formed by the merger of Galaxy Resources and Orocobre in August last year. The stock has delivered a return of over 127% in the past year. However, the stock is down nearly 12% year to date. The company reported $84 million Australian in revenue from lithium sales from its Western Australia's Mount Cattlin mine over the December quarter of 2021. The number is much higher than last year's March and June quarters. At Olaroz, revenue was generated from sales of 5,915 tonnes of lithium carbonate, a 143% revenue increase from the previous corresponding period, which the company said was largely due to average pricing increasing. And we'll be back with our Buzzing Trends show tomorrow to share the latest market insights with you. But till then, stay tuned with Kalkine TV for more stock, business and economy related hot trends. I'm Rose Jacobs. Thank you for joining me.